Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to be discussing promoting your link on niche-based forums. Now this strategy is going to be something that you are going to want to be doing along with all of your other social media strategies. One of the places where people gather to have conversations and they look for solutions from other experts are online forums. And so when you have decided and you've chosen a niche and you're going to work within that niche, one of the best places for you to be able to find people who are interested in your subject matter, in your niche, are going to be forums. And you are going to want to sign up and be a member of a number of these forums, and you're going to want to present your link. One of the ways that you're going to find out whether or not a forum is going to be worth your time is you are going to want to take a look at some of the discussion. And mainly you want to take a look at the main discussion area. And when you do that, then you are going to find out whether or not you are going to be able to present your link. Now I'm going to go inside one of the main forums here, and I can tell that because it's got the most activity over here. So I'm going to click inside of this forum. Then I'm going to find a forum with lots of activity and lots of replies. Now, when I'm inside of these forums, what I'm looking for is a signature area where I can present my link. And in this case, I don't see one. And so this might not be the best place for me to spend my time. I'm looking for two things. I'm looking for a place to put my link in the signature area, and even a place where I can put my website in my profile. And if that is not the case, then this is probably not going to be a good site for us to hang out on. So we want to keep looking for another forum. Now in this forum, I see what I'm looking for. I have a place that when I participate and someone reads my forum, they are going to see my link here also. And that is exactly what I want. So in this particular case, in this forum, what I want to try to do is to participate in threads. I want to participate by answering and asking questions and being involved in the community. You can also see that I also am going to have access to a profile. Now, for the most part, I want to make sure that I appear knowledgeable, that I gain the trust of people, and that people can trust what I'm going to have in my signature area. So when you find a forum where it's going to be worth your time to participate, you want to participate in those topic areas where your frequently asked questions or problems that you can solve with your link, you are going to be able to answer. Now again, when you're participating in a forum, what you don't want to do is you don't want to openly talk about your link or openly go in selling. You want to ask questions and you want people to see your link based on their activity or based on seeing your response. So you want people to come in looking for information and to see your link just like that. And so you're going to see a number of forums where you can participate, and you want to be involved in those forums and participating in the discussion so as many people as can see your link when they see your answer will find it as possible. You should have about a number of about 5 forums that you participate in on a routine basis, and then you want to begin to look for new ones based on how well they are going to be providing you results for people who are going to your link in order to buy your product or your service. And you want to continually do this. Again, you want to make sure that this is on the same kind of schedule as you might when you're doing your social media post or your videos. Now again, this is going to be important for you to take consistent action, because nothing happens just because you post once. You're going to have to post several times and probably go through several forums in order to find the right one and people who are going to be interested in you and interested in your offering. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.